All right, I'm back in here. I got another dozen other pint-sized regular mount cannon jars. Got some of these ball leak-proof lids. I like to have those. See, I got these older ones I had bought for a while back. They work, but I went ahead and got another dozen more of these. I got quite a few lids back there. Probably several hundred, maybe a few thousand of them. I don't know. I just always buy lids when I see them, and I went ahead and bought 10 more dozen. What happened is I looked on Walmart's website and I saw they had just got a shipment in, and my mother and father are always at Walmart. They stay there a lot in the shop. I hardly ever go. So I saw they had lids, so I told them pick me up 10 packs of lids. That's 120 of them. They twice as much as what they used to be. I remember buying lids for 98 cents a pack at one time. Now it might have not been all ball lids, but oh yeah, I know I got way more lids than this because I got the off-brand one. This is all ball and Kerr. I know I got a bunch of the other kind somewhere. I had bought some with bands a while back, but if you're looking at it, that's just all stacks and stacks and stacks of lids. So I got, that's got to be quite close to 1,000 lids somewhere right there. That's, I mean, I just put 10 dozen on top. I probably had about, I don't know, they stacked high. That's a lot of lids in there. And I got some somewhere else. And you know what? I bet you I know where they're at. I bet you they're at the camp, because I store a lot of my can and stuff up there at the camp. A lot of extra jars and stuff. And I got all of that jars down here. That's plenty jars. Then I got more down there. Then I got more in there. Oh, jars forever. But that's how you gotta do it. You know, you see when stuff comes in, you gotta go get it. You gotta be watching when the stock shows up at the store. Otherwise, if you just randomly walk in, you might get lucky every now and then. But you know, I'd rather know when they're there, make the trip worth it. Well, my mom and dad made it worth it. So, and they picked them up some stuff too. So, good deal.